Hello everyone! As you know, GamiPress is very popular among many WordPress users, and in this video I'm gonna show you a powerful combo GamiPress add-on and Quizmaker plugin that lets you reward your quiz takers with redeemable points. This is perfect for anyone running online courses, membership sites, educational blog, or even fun community or trivia websites and more. With Quizmaker plugin, you can create all kinds of quizzes, and with GamiPress, you can motivate your users to complete by giving real rewards. It's a fun, easy way to boost engagement and keep people coming for more. So let's take a run paid online course website. Students pass a quiz, earn points, and then use those points to unlock discounts or rewards. And here on my WordPress dashboard, I can navigate to user section and see the quiz takers rewards. So now I'm gonna show you how to create a similar gamified quiz. First thing first, you should have the Quizmaker plugin installed and activated, and the same with the GamiPress plugin. Now let's install together the GamiPress add-on. You should go to plugin section, click add new plugin, and upload our zip file. And here there is a little nuance. By default, GamiPress doesn't show user points directly on your WordPress user's dashboard, so you can't easily see who earned how many points and many more. That's why we built the user registration login add-on. It makes this process 100 times easier. And you will find the links to all the add-ons and the Quizmaker plugin in the comments below. So let me install that plugin as well. So the user registration login add-on you can see on the left sidebar, and you can find the GamiPress add-on in the general settings of Quizmaker plugin. All the settings you should configure from the automatic points award section from the GamiPress plugin, and after enabling the integration, the Quizmaker will automatically be added to the event list. And now let's navigate to GamiPress Points Types tab to configure all the settings. Here we write the singular name, for example GamiPress, and here we write the plural name, for example GamiPresses, and for the Slack we can write, for example, Quizmaker. Here we choose when the quiz takers will get their points and how many points they can get. And for the label, we can write our quiz name, which is for now Trivia Quiz. Let's click on Publish and then pass the quiz to see how it all works. Now we come to our WordPress dashboard, and thanks to user registration login add-on, we see the quiz taker's name here. Let's click on it to see how many points they gained. So this was all about GamiPress add-on and Quizmaker plugin. Don't hesitate to write your questions and suggestions. Hope you liked it. Bye bye.